All right, so I'm Miss Hanif. Welcome to English 0911 online. I am assuming that all of you are in English 1101, and I'd like to go down. There's only about 5 of you in here, so I'd like you to tell me who your 1101 professor is and if you've been to your 1101 class yet. So Latoya, we'll start with you. Who is your 1101 professor? Natalia. Okay, Latoya, looks like
Okay.
you're able to unmute. Who's your 1101 professor?
Good morning.
Naomi.
Honestly, I forgot her name.
Okay, did you come to class on campus?
No, it's an online class.
Okay, so you already met online.
Yes, correct.
Okay, good, good. So I am going to encourage you to look at your schedule after we're done today and find out your 1101 professor's name. I think it's really important that you guys to have a strong connection in class with your professors is very important, especially in a class that's based on improving communication. So if you don't know your 1101 professor's name and how to pronounce it correctly, please find out the name and ask your professor, how do I pronounce your name? Natalia, who is your 1101 professor?
Okay, good morning, teacher. My professor for 11101 is Naomi Jean Perry.
Oh, good, Naomi Jean-Pierre. So are you meeting on campus or online?
Online. We start
Okay.
yesterday online 5 to 6:20 p.m.
Okay, very good. All right. I see Salamawit. How are you? Who do you have for
Good, how
1101?
are you?
I'm good. Who do you have for 1101?
To be honest, I don't know.
Okay. Is it online or on campus?
Hybrid,
Okay, so you're meeting on campus.
yes,
Which days?
Saturday.
Okay, so you have, oh my God, Dr. Adeyemi. So so make sure you're here on Saturday. Wait a second. Is Saturday a holiday for Martin Luther King?
Saturday? No.
I don't know. Anyways, ignore what I just said. I don't know. You will check your Blackboard messages from her and you'll find out. All right.
Okay, okay.
Xavier, did you tell me yet who you have for 1101?
No, I didn't. I've Miss Purefoy.
Okay, Miss Purifoy. So you're also taking it online. All right, good. Let's see. We have two T's in here. T Huen. Who do you have for 1101?
Hi, teacher. I am.
Hi.
I have been your last yesterday.
Yes, I know. Okay, so you're in my class. So you're meeting with me on Tuesdays. I'm really glad that you're in an on-campus class. That is wonderful. And we have another T in here. T Huen. Who do you have for
Yeah,
1101?
yes. Uh, I'm here.
Right. Who is your 1101 professor?
Uh, I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Make sure you find out who your 1101 professor is. Is your 1101 class online or on campus?
I online.
Okay. Have you joined Blackboard? Have you joined the class yet? Did you meet your class yet?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, Thomas, it looks like you just joined. Who do you have for 1101? Thomas, you there? All right. Anyways, I'm not sure if he can, maybe he can't hear me. So, like I said, it's really important that Sadiki, you just joined. Can you tell me who your 1101 professor is? All right. So it's really important that you guys understand that 1101, English 1101, composition and rhetoric is your primary English class. And it looks like most of you are taking this class online. It is a very difficult class to take online, but I am assuming that you are taking it online because it works with your lifestyle. Even though it is difficult, there are ways to make it easier, and that's what I want to share with you right now. All of you are degree students. That's why you're taking 1101. So to do well in an online 1101 or even an on-campus 1101, T, you're in my on-campus class. It's very important that you check Blackboard many times a day. I'm going to show you my Blackboard. So this is Blackboard for this class, for this 0911 class. So maybe every week, maybe every few days, your 1101 professor is going to post an announcement. It's very important that you read the announcement carefully. So all of you, I think most of you already read my announcement, and it's important that you follow any instructions in those announcements, especially, in all your online classes, and if you have questions, email your 1101 professor. So I know I'm talking a lot about 1101. That's because that is the primary English class you are in. In this class, in 0911, you will notice that if I go to lessons, it's still pretty blank. There's not a lot here. I am going to start these lessons next week. So for this week, the only thing you need to really do is that welcome quiz, which I know that most of you already completed, right? Most of you guys did that welcome quiz.
Yes.
Starting next week so Monday is a holiday. The college is closed on Monday for the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. So on Tuesday morning, I will post an announcement. I'm not going to do anything else this week. On Tuesday morning, I will post an announcement about what your assignment is for that week, for week 2 of the semester. I want to ask you guys a question. What is the best time for us to meet online like this? I know that right now 8 of you were able to join, which is great. But would you guys prefer earlier in the morning? What day would you prefer? I can't accommodate everybody because it's an online class, but I would like to hear what you prefer.
When you say early in the morning, is what time, teacher?
That's a really good question, Natalia. I assume you have kids?
Yes, but I work from 9 to 5:30 p.m. every day, Monday through Friday.
Okay.
Just in case I had to change my schedule, I can work with my boss. So
how did you join right now?
Because I work from home today.
Oh, okay.
It's not every day. It's just occasionally that we can do from work, from home.
Yeah.
Not every day.
That's gonna be a little bit tough, Natalia. What about the rest of you guys? Is there a day or a time that you prefer?
I'm open. I work overnight, so I'm open during the day. My daughter's in daycare, so she doesn't get home until 3, so I'm open.
Okay. So usually what happens in an online class, which is what's happening right now, is everyone's schedule is all over the place. So I wanted to wait until today, until I meet you guys. I think, I've been teaching this class online for a couple of years now, and the thing that has worked best is that I have an online meeting usually around this time of day because this is the time I can get most people to attend. Then I post the recording, and then people like Natalia or anyone else who works all day and can only work in the evening, who can only meet in the evening or meet early morning, what I do is I ask those students to email me, and I'll do a one-on-one session with you, or I'll do a small group session with you. So what we'll do is we'll kind of take it week by week. Sometimes I might change it up so that students who can't meet at a certain time are able to meet. But we'll come back to that. We'll come back to that. Let's get back to just talking about this class. This class is a supplement to 1101. The goal in this class is that whatever you're learning in 1101, I'm going to try to strengthen you in those lessons by going slower and going deeper. So for example, one of the first things you're going to learn in 1101 is developing ideas and the structure of an essay, topic sentences, thesis statements, organization of an essay, things like that. So what we're going to do in this class is kind of slow down a bit. We're going to spend several weeks on each of those ideas, and I'm going to give you quizzes along the way so that you can kind of strengthen your understanding of those things, so that when you write an essay in 1101, it's a stronger essay. We'll also do small, very small writing assignments so that your mind is kind of warming up to the idea of writing. Just like a few sentences, like one paragraph, just to kind of warm up your engine, warm up your mind before that first big essay in 1101. How does that sound?
Sounds good to me.
Thank you, Latoya. Anyone else? How does that sound?
The same to me. It sounds good. That's the
Okay.
best idea that we can kind of like for, because it's a lot.
Okay. Okay, good. Next week, what I will probably do is assign a discussion board. And what that means is that you just have to write a few sentences, and that's just going to kind of warm you up. So basically for this week, again, like I said, I'm going to go slow because I want to make sure that you guys are really feeling comfortable. I'm going to share my screen again over here. So when you go to Blackboard for this course, that didn't work. Okay, I don't know why my screen is not sharing with you. But when you go to the Blackboard for this course, go to the start here, complete the welcome quiz if you have not done it yet. And on Tuesday, I will post a new announcement. That new announcement will have your instructions for the week and any information about us meeting. And that announcement will also get sent to your Gwinnett Tech email. Do you have any questions about anything I just said?
No.
All right. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys coming to this session today. In the chat box right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down my email address. So go ahead and copy and paste that somewhere. And I'm also going to give you guys my office phone number. This is not my cell phone number, so don't text me here. But my email address is the letter U, Hanif, so UHANIEF at gwinnettech.edu. Use your Gwinnett Tech email to email me. And my phone number for my office is 678-226-6349. If you ever want to meet me on campus, send me an email ahead of time. I'll be more than happy to meet you in my office to go over anything. And always stay ahead of the game. Don't let yourself fall behind in 1101. Just go ahead and prepare your mind that I'm in a 16-week course, right? Because I know a lot of people, especially young people, start getting bored after a month. We're together for 4 months, January, February, March, April. So go ahead and in your mind, prepare yourself that, I am going to be working hard until the end of April for these classes. And if you start feeling like, lack of motivation, email me, come see me. Let's get that motivation back up, stick with it, and start off strong in 1101, guys. That's the biggest piece of advice I can give you. Don't fall behind. Ask questions.
Teacher, are you in the building at 102?
I'm in building 100. I'm at the Lawrenceville campus. I'll put this in the chat. Lawrenceville campus, building 100. Oops. Room 814. So if any of you live in, do any of you live by the Alpharetta North Fulton campus? No? Okay, so all of you are on the Lawrenceville side. So if you ever want to come see me on campus, email me ahead of time and let's set up an appointment.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be happy to meet any of you guys. So are there any other questions?
Nope.
Okay, I'm going to stop this recording so that